what advice or encouragement would you offer to anyone who's listening, who's either in the messy middle of getting their own book across the finish line, or it's a dream they've had for a long time, but they haven't actually begun? What do you say to that person?
The thing that helped me write, probably more than anything else, was just blocking a couple of writing blocks in my calendar every day. And treating that meeting almost like a sacred thing that I was doing. I told my assistant at one point when I was writing a novel when I worked at Google, and I had a writing block in the morning and a writing block in the late afternoon. And I told my assistant, those are my meetings with God. You cannot schedule over them.
Wow.
And treating it like a sacred thing. But also doing the mundane thing of putting it in your calendar was, for me, the most helpful thing.
So please enjoy this conversation with my friend, Kim Scott.